Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems. Today I'm going to be going over RBS04 marketing automation. The purpose of this automation is to completely take over your digital, phone call, and direct mail marketing tasks with 6 built-in marketing themes per year. So essentially you want to install this automation when you're ready to grow your business. You turn it on and work just starts coming in. So we have 6 different themes throughout the year. We do have some options on there. And during each theme, we're going to market to and these are all options: your leads, clients, inactive clients, new homeowners, and realtors. You can market to all of them or none of them. We have a customized newsletter that will be sent out, one for each month. The first installation will come with 1 copy of each newsletter that can just be sent out as is. If you prefer, we can continue to update these newsletters for you on an annual basis and keep fresh content customized to your company. We'll also send out a SendJim voicemail bomb. If you're not familiar with that, and this is again, these SendJim items are optional, but SendJim, you record a message once and we drop it into each client's or lead's voicemail inbox automatically. So 6 times a year you record it once and we'll go and we'll voicemail drop all these people on your list. We'll also send a postcard optionally through SendJim. It'll be customized. I'll go over that. And these same postcards will be sent out. They call them 5-arounds to each customer upon the completion of a job. So if you do a fall cleanup at one house, it'll automatically mail all of your houses. So it's really powerful stuff. Also, we'll create office tasks for other marketing items that can't be done automatically that can be assigned to you or your office personnel. So the first thing that'll go out is email. So our first theme we have set up here is spring cleanups. We're going to send out this customized email that's going to go out to anyone who is not already enrolled in your spring cleanup service. Gives a deadline, little pictures here. It'll customize it with your company name and your name, the client's name. So it'll go out twice for each marketing period. So here's spring cleanup first email, spring cleanup second email. The cool thing here is it will have a custom link in here. So all they have to do when they get this email is click quote cleanup. And what that will do is it will send them a text message saying, thank you for a quote on your cleanup service. We've processed your estimate. So we'll customize it for whichever service this is. It'll tell them we'll send you a quote in 5 days. It'll also create a task for whoever you would like, letting them know that this client has requested a cleanup. So pretty cool stuff, 1 click in an email. So first marketing period is spring cleanups. Then we have these mow promotion emails. So this is the first email that goes out. Second email that goes out, again, they can click here, request a quote on a mow. It'll create this text message, thank you for requesting a quote on a mowing service. And it will also create a task for your office person to send out this quote to that client. Over here, this one is compost top dressing. We're going to have other options in here for hardscaping. We'll probably have a couple or a few different options for you depending on this time of year, because I know people do services slightly different, don't offer some, do offer others. So we're gonna have a few different options for you here. Again, we have the first email, second email, and the follow-up text message. Again, the next one is seating. So promotion for the seating, a nice pretty email with your customization for your company. First email, second email. And if they request the quote, they can simply get a text message assignment for your client. The third theme we have here is fall cleanups. We give them a deadline to respond, first email, second email, and then here we have the text message again. And the last one here, we're going to have different options. We have landscaping packages. We're also going to have plowing. We're also going to have holiday lighting. And if we get any other popular requests, we'll have those options as well. So this one's for requesting quote on packages, reminding them to sign up for a package, and then a text message confirming that they sign up for the package. What else? This is the newsletter. So this here is the April newsletter. So this is a dumbed down newsletter. It's very universal, so it'll work for everyone. So we have one of these. This one's April. We have one for every marketing period, and you can customize these yourself, or again, if you would like to hire us to do it, we will generate this for you each year, customize all these newsletters for you so they can be sent out without worrying about it. New homeowners. So this task will be sent to your office person. So we have different resources for looking up your new homeowners list, but what we've found from years and years of marketing is that whatever marketing method you use, typically you're going to be picking up mostly new homeowners. So, you know, we've used USPS, EDDM, Every Door Direct Mail. Most of the people end up calling in just bought their house. So we decided we would target specifically these new homeowners. So if you want to use this this intake form, it'll enter the lead in the system. They will automatically be marketed to along with, you know, with you're not going to have their email yet, but they're going to start getting the postcards and all that stuff. So hopefully they eventually call in, you get their email, their phone number, and you can start them on your marketing routes. Here we have is these voicemail bombs. So I'll play them for a second, but these are so anyone who you have a phone number for, automatically it's going to go throughout a process while it's sending these emails, while it's sending these postcards, and just to let you know, the things that cost money through SendJim, like these voicemail bombs and the postcards, are sent last. So if at any time a client enrolls in your service that you're promoting, they will no longer get this voicemail bomb, or the postcard won't go out because those are more expensive. These are half a credit through SendJim, and the postcards are 1 credit, roughly 70 cents at the moment. Through SendJim, so they won't get those, and those go out last resort if they haven't signed up by a free method such as email. So here's the voicemail bomb. I'll play a second of it. Our fall cleanups are very thorough compared to other companies. We will take away the leaves and sticks, we'll cut the grass, and we'll also cut. So essentially, you're going to record this message. We'll have these examples for you. You can log in to listen to them. You record your own custom message, and these will be dropped straight into your clients, inactive clients, leads database, new homeowners, or realtors lists, depending on your preferences. Here, this is the 5 round. So these are the postcards. I'll show you more of them, but I just wanted to show you right within SendJim here. These postcards, as soon as you complete your seeding service, whatever you name that service within Service Autopilot, we're going to customize that for you. And automatically these postcards will be mailed out to all the neighbors surrounding them. As you can see, we did a property on Ives Road, and this postcard was then sent to 5 neighbors on Ives Road automatically. So pretty cool stuff. Right here, here's the postcard. Here's the one I just showed you. We also have, this one's the compost top dressing. Of course, these will be customized with your company name, company web address. And there's a seeding one, compost. Here's the one for spring cleanups. Here's the one for fall cleanups. And here we have is our packages. And here we have is our lawn mowing. So those are the postcards that will be customized with your company name. Your company information that will go out. Again, those will go out to all your clients, leads, etc., whoever you want during automatically. It will also go out on top of it when you complete a certain service to neighbors, and these are all options for you. So pretty awesome automation. We have, you know, this will be on the marketplace, a lot of options, very powerful. This works really well and will generate a lot of work for you once you're enrolled in it. So any questions, visit our website, readybusinesssystems.com. Catch you guys next time.